Well, now that this painting's complete, I'm ready to take it off the block so that I've got a fresh piece of paper for another painting. And I just thought I'd talk to you a bit about removing paper from a paper block, because I do get asked this. One or two people have mentioned it on the members forum, but also I often get asked this at live workshops where somebody's painting on a block like this. So first of all, the difference between a watercolour block and a pad is usually ring bound. It can be glue, but it's usually ring bound along one edge, and then the other three sides are loose. It's like a loose leaf. It is a loose leaf pad. A block, the paper is glued round all four sides. So there's a cover on it, but then all four sides are glued. The advantage of that, and it's evident on this painting, that now that it's dry, it's really flat, even though it's £140 paper. If that was a loose sheet, even with a bit of masking tape, it would. I think now it would still be cockled, because it was quite a wet painting. It used a lot of washers. So the advantage of the block is it's glued round all four sides, and as it dries, it comes nice and taut again. And with all these blocks, there's a little section that hasn't been glued, and there it is on this one. Some loose paper. And where people often go wrong is they stick a knife under there and go all the way around to remove it like that. That scratches the one underneath. Sometimes you can scratch it without even seeing the scratches until you apply paint, and then they're horrible. They just ruin whatever you're doing on the next sheet. So I use a credit card, and I'm going to just get it under there like that and just take it round there. It doesn't tear the paper either. There. Again here, starting at the bit where it's not been glued, we go round there, right up there, and then you can usually just peel the top one off like that, and that is unmarked, and you're ready to go on your next painting.